Good morning, guys. It's Toyotafest day. It's like 6:20-ish right now. I got the car all loaded up. Got chairs, coolers, a little burner for my coffee because you know I like my coffee. About to meet up with Anthony down here at the gas station. We bob out to Long Beach, meet up with Jimmy and some other guys, rolling in strong with the SoCal Matrix gang. Alright, so hopefully we see some cool cars, kick it with some chill people, share some good vibes. First Toyotafest. Let's get going. Alright, so we're in line right now, line to get in. Jimmy was late, he pulled a sneak attack and pulled in front of us. So we got the gang together. It's like 8:25, it's our check-in time. Fat ass line to get in. I drank all my coffee already. I gotta go pee. Confused. Go down?
Right to the right.
Go right?
All right. Yes.
Hands down?
There we go. Have it going okay? No.
Drive by hand step. Got hella vendors. I'm doing this straight tourist style. They got hella vendors, some Tacomas. Oh man. Oh, Haltech. Oh, I hear someone with the bullhorn. Someone with a bullhorn. Look at CPL filter fell off. Now we're on this like grassy hill by this Toyota display. I think we're gonna get parked soon. Reminds me of like Disneyland, you know, with the people waving. Just waiting to get signaled forward here after this Camry parks. It's sick. It's like a 91 Camry. It's like all stock. Hell yeah, grandpa car. It's my people.
Right here. And then that gentleman, white shoes, green vest, black hat.
Yeah.
We'll get you situated, okay?
Cool.
All right,
Thanks,
you.
bro.
Go for it.
Anthony having issues. That's a supercharged Sienna? Sheesh. Supercharged Sienna? Supercharged? Hell yeah. Say when. Right there? Bro, this is dangerous, bro. I don't trust. Dude, I saw that. I was like, oh shit. Oh man. Alright. Honestly, I should have brought some wheel chocks. Made it in Toyotafest. About to get the baggy thing. Get some baggies. We're with the other Corollas.
You're spending at least a chill like maybe 1.2.
I see a Celica. Oh, check out the headlight though. Cool headlight though.
Oh, there he is. What's up, yo? How you doing?
Hey, it's placed.
What's up, man? Yeah.
NorCal people.
Oh, man, you've been busy. What's up, man? Congratulations on our kid. How you doing? Congratulations on our kid.
Can you get your mail in the letter either?
chilling in line. Got our goodie bags. And thanks, bro. 2ZZ Mo. Susie Zilo's lady. So just want to hurry up and get the bag. So we just chill. Knock this stuff out before we walk around. Alright, so we got our swag bags and everything back at the spot. It's posted up. Got Anthony's car, my car, Brian and Jimmy's car. Little picnic area. They got us on this sketchy ass hill. So like, thank God the rain stopped because I didn't want to slide down this landslide looking hill. Brought my coffee maker. Just had a cup of coffee. Shout out to Brian. Brian hooked it up with a trunk mat. He was rolling around with two in his trunk and was like, hey bro, you want this? I'm like, hell yeah. So I gotta hook him up. I got a 1ZZ TRD intake that I'm gonna ship down to him. We're like right across from like the VANkulture guys. I love VANkulture people. Matrix made it out. Minutes, I'm gonna go roam around, check out the vendors. Gotta go buy a copy of like a hoodie or something. But they said there was over like 60 vendors, some food. We'll check out the food in a little bit. The Enki booth, check out some of that, see what they got going on. And oh shit, there's like an overland section down here. Is that a Supra? This one's hella clean, this livery. It's 87. Hey bro, they got you prime location, they got you right in the middle.
Yeah, when they said you can get your own box, I was like, hell yeah.
Dude, yeah.
Box car gets my own box.
Yeah, didn't
Take
you?
it.
Reigning champion? What did you get? Best resto last year?
Original restoration award.
That's sick, man. There's some. Never seen so many clean Supras in one spot. Like this one's crazy. That was nice.
Yeah, I love the yellow.
Yeah. Are we at Aerowerkz, Toyota downtown LA, about to do this raffle?
Here we go.
Follow them.
Hope you win something good.
I hope so. Alright, let's go. Let's just grab one. Whoop. What's the word?
Here we go.
Hey,
congratulations.
I got the Supra.
Thank you.
It's the one I can afford. or that coffee.
Sorry.
Yeah, sticker. So I got a Supra. I got the new Mark 5. It's free.
For the toolbox.
If it's free, it's for me, as they say.
Free's free, buddy. Do one of the videos. I'm gonna trade this sticker.
Yeah,
and
let's
then I'm
try
gonna
this.
end up at the end of the video with the Supra.
Looking for like someone with a Mark 5 Supra. So I'd be like, hey, I'll trade you this toy. Start taking shit off his car. The BRZ fam out here. This is where they live. Oh shit. Alright, so behind me right here, probably one of my favorite Corollas so far. So it's Corolla K20 Turbo. The fitment here is wild. He's got Recaro seats for the front and the rear. How could you not? All right, so we're about to hit up the Toyota booth. I guess you get to spin a wheel and try and get some type of prize. See what other cars are down here as well. But like the scale of it is like crazy. It's like giant car show. I don't know where to start.
Yeah, probably the 700 cars.
Yeah. Oh, dang, Harry Potter car.
Oh, you haven't seen the Freddy one?
Oh shit.
Like you see the Freddy one.
I forgot about Sebastian. There's Mr. 2ZZ Low posted out here.
Yeah, I think that's my address.
With the ram lights. Alright, so we're here at the Toyota booth. There's hey.
Yeah, Freddy one.
Oh shit. Look at that Freddy versus Jason.
Look at all the detail inside. Look at the fabric. The headliner inside too. It's like it's what it is.
Oh shit. That shit's wild. Look at that Freddy Krueger car. Stallion XB, dude. It's like kind of all kinds of builds here. Like
Pretty cool concept, huh?
it's
a lot of
that JDM?
this is the line.
Oh my god. Alright. Okay.
I don't think it's gonna get any lower.
Yeah. Just get it done now. Still walk around.
See if it dies down.
Alright. I'm not gonna go to the raffle right now. There's a hell of heads. So guess we'll walk around and check out some cars. Look at an XRS. Or that's actually not an XRS. It's an XR. Caught my eye right here. I saw.
Is it a real one?
Oh, very nice. What's going on, guys?
Well, this is cool because you just don't see them.
Wow.
And out the corner of my eye, I saw the intercooler at the top. I was like, wait a minute. Let's send this. My bad, guys. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
What up?
What up, man?
How's it going?
Doing well, brother. I was like, hey, I recognize that guy.
So I didn't want to interrupt your.
No, it's all good. Like, very incognito. It's cracking.
I'm trying to be. I'm wearing velvet.
Oh, shit. Wait, incognito. I turned around, I was like, wait a minute. Hey, I've seen that guy.
I guess, yeah, we don't have a booth, but I'm not standing.
Oh, that's true. All you guys come out? Or,
Nah, it's just me. I'm
Nice.
just hanging out. I don't know. If
I figured like you bring one of these guys out.
Nah, my truck's here.
Nice. All right, man, enjoy the thing. Head back to the spot.
The VANkulture guys, so there's a chapter down here.
A lightweight messed up. I guess the judges came by and they were asking apparently like, oh, whose Gray Matrix is this? And then I wasn't here to answer questions, so there goes my chance of winning anything because I missed the judging portion. But so far it's been like pretty chill. There's one dude came by, he gave me a cabin air filter. Brian gave me that trunk mat. That's definitely good vibes out here. And I would probably come back next year. It's pretty fun. We're about to go turn in some raffle tickets. They're about to have a raffle. Our ticket 666336. That's the number they need to call. Numbers are too good to wait.
I'm calling right now. About to call my name.
Come up. What up? Now is a good time
You got your raffle ticket?
to purchase your merch.
Hey.
At the same time, you can send me your
Let's go.
6,
Let's go.
9.
All right, 3:30. Toyota Fest is wrapping up. Would definitely recommend attending if you're into this. Drive a Toyota, definitely worth coming out. I really want to come out again next year. But next year, I don't know. We'll bring the Matrix, maybe we'll bring the Supra. But atmosphere's cracking. Ended up buying some stuff. Got an Apexi shift knob. Shout out to the Matrix family. Jimmy, Brian, Anthony. Never seen so many Supras in one place. Maybe we'll attend that. Supras in Pismo. Supras in Vegas. That'd be sick. This time there are only 5 Matrixes total. We gotta stick together. What's going on?
Toyota.
Yeah.